That was a heck of a way to start a live video. Just cough right into the microphone. Folks, I apologize for the sweatshirt. It is cooler in Southern California than I am used to, so I got the sweatshirt today. And this is February. I am launching what I'm calling a micro moment with the Power Sport Academy. You'll be seeing these come out on a regular basis. These micro moments are meant to just hit a topic, just hit it, quit it, and get out. Not a long form thing. I want you guys to just be able to pop in, get something. It's COVID. The COVID cough is never going away. But pop in, get something actionable, and then split. So here's today. Today's micro moment is making a great first impression. Think about it. Making a great first impression. Here's what I want you to do. I want you, and maybe you need a helper for this, right? I want you to get in a car and I want you to drive by your dealership, take a couple of pictures of it with your cell phone, right? That's easy to do. Make a U-turn, drive back past the dealership. Take a couple more pictures with your cell phone. If you think it would be more helpful, do it twice, once to take pictures and once to take video. And then here's what I want you to do. I don't want you to look at the stuff on the phone. I want you to go back. Now, if you've got where you automatically upload your pictures to your Google account, that's fantastic. Or plug in the phone, tether it, however you do this. I want you to go to a computer with a bigger screen, and I want you to open up the pictures and the video that you just took. Now, put yourself in the shoes of a customer. Is your dealership making the impression that you want to your customers? This is one of the first things I do when I visit a dealership. When I go in to do a needs assessment and I work with a dealer, one of the first things I do is go, what's the first impression? If a customer's driving to your dealership, do they feel welcomed? Do they know where to go? Is there proper signage? Are they there for sales, service, or parts? You know, again, do they know where to go? Is there a separate door for service? Is there a separate gate for service? Is there a separate building for service? If you are confusing in your first impression message, you've got a lot of work to do to earn their confidence at the counter. It all starts with little tiny things along the way. And when you have a frustrated customer get to the counter that maybe parked on the wrong side of the parking lot, couldn't find the door to service, didn't know where to unload their quad, you know, all of these things become a frustration. And if that's the energy they bring to the counter, it's harder for you to build a relationship and then launch that into a sales conversation. If you have a great first impression and they know where to park, where to unload, what gate to go through, and what door to go to, from a fixed operations perspective, this is a smoother transaction as soon as they get to the counter. That, folks, is your micro moment with the Power Sports Academy, and I'll see you guys very, very soon.